You have seen AI influencers taking over social media with thousands of people just creating it for fun. But what if you could use them to promote your Etsy products and even earn extra income on the side? In this video, I'll show you what an AI influencer really is, how to build one that will help promote your Etsy store. Before we jump into creating your own AI influencer, let's talk about why this even works. People no longer buy just products, they buy personalities, stories, and aesthetics. Think about it, when you're scrolling through Instagram or Pinterest, you don't pause for a plain product photo, you stop when something feels alive. And that's what AI influencers do. They give your Etsy store a digital personality that people can relate to. So instead of showing random product mockups, you can have an AI influencer model your designs. And the best part, you don't need a photo shoot and you don't even need to show your face because AI does all the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about how to create one for your brand. To create your AI character, I found 4 AI platforms that make this possible. ChatGPT for generating the prompt for your character, Ideogram to create a consistent AI character, Kittl to apply your designs to your character, and finally a video generation platform to bring it to life. But first, you need to start by defining how your character fits your niche and tone. For example, if you sell nursery wall art, your AI influencer could be a cozy, family-friendly mom character who shares home decor ideas. Or you could choose a young female character that represents your brand. After deciding on the style you want for your AI influencer, the next step is to start creating your character. But before we do that, did you know you can also earn additional income outside Etsy just by using your AI influencer? Here's how. When you promote your digital products with your AI influencer on your social media platforms, you can also drive traffic to a platform that allows your audience to pay you recurring monthly payments for exclusive designs you don't want to sell on Etsy. And that's where Fanvue comes in. Fanvue is a creator platform that has become very popular for AI influencers and even virtual ones. It allows you to create a profile for your digital character, post exclusive AI-generated photos, videos, and earn income through fan subscriptions. So think of it this way, your AI influencer promotes your Etsy products on one side and brings in Fanvue income on the other. You can treat it like an expansion of your brand's universe. Your Etsy store sells digital products and your AI influencer connects emotionally with your audience, then your Fanvue profile monetizes that personality. This combination is powerful because while your Etsy store earns passively, your AI influencer builds a loyal audience that grows monthly recurring income. So, if you want a full step-by-step PDF that shows you how to earn $1,000 in 7 days, click the link in my description or the pinned comment, download it free, and start your AI influencer today. That link also gives you 100% of your Fanvue earnings for your first 3 days. To create my AI influencer character, I'll be using Ideogram, but before that, I'll ask ChatGPT to provide a prompt for my character. After that, I'll paste the prompt into Ideogram, select the version 3.0, set the design style to realistic, and make sure prompt magic is turned on. And here's the result I got. Then, I'll select character in the reference section so the AI can use the character's face for any generation I need. Next, I'll enter a prompt for my AI character to pose with a frame that has a white canvas inside it, and here are the results I got. Now comes the exciting part, adding our design to the frame. So head to Kittl and start a new project and click on the upload icon to import your AI character image alongside with your design. Then place them both inside the frame. Once you are done, select the artboard and choose Add Smartboard. The Smartboard comes with a prompt box where we'll enter a simple prompt like this. Once we're done, this is the result we'll get. Now that we have the image version of our AI influencer, it's time to bring it to life by converting this image into an AI video. Not just any video, but something dynamic and realistic. So, how do we do this? We'll be using Veo 3 to get it done. Veo 3 is Google's advanced AI video generation model that can create ultra-realistic videos from simple text prompts or from image to video generation. To bring our image to life, go to deepmind.google, select Open with Flow, sign into your Google account, and click Start New Project. Then choose the text to video option and switch it to frame to video. After this, click on the plus icon to import your AI influencer character, choose Portrait, and click Save. Finally, this is where you'll write your prompt describing what you want your AI influencer to do or say in the video. The best option for me is to upload your image into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a video prompt that makes your AI influencer say a brief call to action about the wall art design she's holding. After that, I'll copy the prompt and paste it into Veo 3, and here's the result I got.
The inspiration for this painting came from a hiking trip last autumn. I wanted to capture the vibrant colors of the highlands and the majesty of this beautiful stag.
Once you have all these designs with your AI influencer, the next step is to create a new Instagram page featuring this AI character. Use it to promote your designs in each post while adding a link in your bio that directs followers to your Fanvue page where they can access exclusive designs. With this method, you kill two birds with one stone by earning in two platforms. Finally, I hope this video has inspired you with the possibilities of making extra income alongside your Etsy store. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more AI and Etsy strategies that help you build a real digital income stream.